All right, and we are good to go now. Sorry for the delay. I'm not sure what was going on with the technology, but here we go. Um, so I kind of asked you to finish up 19 through 30, correct? All right, so kind of like what we did, or 21 through 30, kind of like what we did yesterday. William, why don't you start us off today with 21? What did you get? Wait a minute. Section 7-2, come on, 4 to the third times 4 squared. Yes, 4 to the fifth. And if you wanted to write 10, 24, that'd be okay too, but not necessary. 22, which brings me to Austin, go. Wait a minute, m to the negative what? Why negative? That's all right, come on. Right, which is the same as? Yes, all right, I'm happy with that. All right, next. S to the 7th and T to the 12th. Very nice. All right, Trimble, 24. Positive or negative? Okay.
And then X6. And then
Number 25. What?
Can you do that one? Number 24.
What's wrong?
I'm not sure. I had trouble. I don't know how you get that.
Well, I don't know which one, which problem, X or Y. This is a 1, right?
Yeah. No.
1 plus 5 is 6.
Yeah.
6 plus 1 is 7.
Where did the 9.6? Oh.
Okay, come on. Jensen, 25. 5 to the 2nd. And of course, you can write 25 if you want. All right, Rivers. 26.
is it 1 over h to the 10th?
You're awesome. Max. Yes, sir. Good job, man. T to the 8th. Max. Very good. All right, 28. Where am I at? Gray. F to the 7th. And then
R to the negative.
exactly, but we don't want negative exponents, so we can make it.
R to the 7th.
Where at, though?
On top.
On the, you move it. Remember, if it has a negative exponent, so it'd be 1 over R to the 7th. You happy with that? Sienna, did you do 1? All right, 30. Tell me. 5 to the what? Right, which is the same as?
1 over.
Yes, 1 over 25. If you said 1 over 5 squared, I'm okay with that. Now, Sienna, are you good with that or not? All right. Anybody have any issues with those now? I told you just rules. All right. Now, I don't want to worry about the scientific notation. All right.
You can just do it on.
7-3. Here we go. I got to get to work. All right. We got 2 sections today. Now, again, I need some help. Everybody's paying attention. I want everybody to write down power to power, you multiply. All right. And let me explain to you how you can remember that if you don't know what I'm saying. If I said to you guys, look, x squared cubed, x squared, oh, okay, I'm sorry, it's just, all right, x squared cubed, I want everybody to know means x squared times x squared times x squared. Is that agreed? So then that is just x to the what? 6. So the rule, power to power, what do you do to exponents? Come on now, don't just say something. You multiply them. That is correct. That is correct. All right. 2 times 3 is 6. Everybody good with that? So a power to a power you multiply. Now, number 1, I need everyone to look at this and say, that's saying 4 cubed. What is 4 cubed? Someone tell me. 4 times 4 times 4 is what? 64. A to the what power? Stop. 15. Thank you. All right, now I need to shut the door because I can't hear. Yeah, the numbers, you have to do the number to the power, but when you have a power to a power, you have to multiply. So again, this 5 times 3 is 15 because 5 is a power and 3 is a power. Does everybody agree with that? Mm-hmm. And then you just look at that, and that's literally just saying 4 cubed. And 4 cubed is what? 64. So that's why it's 64. Come on now, same principle today. Do as just as well as you did yesterday. All right, so now let's take a look at number 2, and I'm going to start going around the room here in a few minutes. So this, go ahead, Tucker. What do you think?
So I think it's 16 to the negative 12.
Nope. That's a good mistake, though. Go.
32 to the
No. What?
64.
No. What?
8 to
No. What, Angela?
2 to the negative 12.
You are brilliant. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. 2 to the negative 12 is absolutely correct. That would make me wrong. Power to a power. What do I do? Power to a power. What is the rule? You multiply. That would be 2 to the negative 12. All right. Now, if you want, you can just write 1 over 2 to the 12th power. That would be acceptable. And of course, we know that 2 to the 12th, 4096. All right. But again, 1 over 2 to the 12th is fine. Anybody have any issues? What?
So how come on the last one it is 4 times 3?
What?
How come now it's 3 times 4 cubed?
Because 4 doesn't have a power. It's just literally 4 cubed. It's kind of like what we did when we said 3 squared times 3 cubed.
Yeah.
That's not 9, right?
Mm.
Same principle. All right, here we go for number 3. All right. Now, all right, let's hear it. Emiliana, give it a shot, please.
You have to add the 2 that
Power to a power. What's the rule? Multiply. So it's going to be m to the what? Yes, you do. Come on, just relax. All right. You're gonna not know sometimes, but I want you to try. Power to a power. What do I do with those numbers? So what's negative 3 times negative 4? 12. Perfect. N to the what? Nope. Because it's in parentheses. You have to do the n to the 4th also. That is correct. N to the negative 16. Are you allowed to have negative exponents? No, so you're going to rewrite that, Emiliana, as what? Well, where is m to the 12th? On the top, because it has a positive exponent, right? And then n to the 16th is on the bottom, right? Because that one has the negative exponent. All right, now come on now, get involved. All right, Sean's up next. Number 4.
X to the 10th.
Yes, x to the 10th. All right, now remember, try to write the answer before I do. All right, number 5. Come on, Connor.
2 to the 10th.
What is, I'm not sure how you got that.
No, that's not the full answer.
All right. How did you get 2 to the 10th?
It's 2. It's the
Do this
5
first.
times- oh,
What is that?
that's 2 to the 8th.
Right? So now what's the final answer?
2 to the 5th times 2 to the 8th.
Which is?
2 to the 13th.
You're awesome now. All right. There you go. 2 to the 13th. Max, you with me?
You wouldn't multiply that?
No. Well, I mean, if you want me to tell you what 2 to the 13th is, we can, but it's kind of a big number.
No, I mean like 5 and 8.
No, sir, because you're multiplying. What do you do to exponents? You add them. When you're multiplying, you add the exponents. What? You told me the answer.
Yeah, wouldn't you multiply the 5th, the 5, and the 2? The 2 exponents?
I don't know what you're asking me.
The 5 above the 2, and then the 2 outside the parentheses.
No, because this square has nothing to do with this over here.
Oh,
Right? Because the 2 is what's affecting what's in parentheses. As opposed to number 3, they were both in parentheses, so they do. Right? All right. Tucker. All right. Now I'm going to do this one first, Tucker, okay? Because this one's a little bit more complicated. Now it's not really more complicated. It's just I have to do this first. Then I have to do what? This. Then I have to multiply the answers. Come on now. This is the one that's important. All right. So we already know 4 cubed is what? 64. Then we do this, which is x to the what? 12. Thank you. Now I have to do the second part. All right, so what's 2 squared? 4. And then x to the second power. And then y to the, there you have it. That is exactly correct.
Wait, how'd you get the 64?
yeah, that's fine.
4 times 4 times 4.
Okay.
We're going to do it 100,000 times.
All right, I agree.
You should be able to tell me 4 cubed is 64. Now, my final answer, multiplying numbers. 64 times 4, 256. How many x's are there then?
16 or 14?
14. And then y to the 6th. All right, number 6 is super duper important. Honestly, that's pretty complicated. I don't think so, but that's pretty hard. All right, Tucker, you ready?
Sure.
All right, so let's knock out 7. Go.
So 7 is going to be x to the 4th
Times.
times x to the 12th.
You are brilliant. Final answer.
Final answer is x to the 16th.
That is awesome. That's exactly correct. What?
How do you know when to multiply them?
Because you're supposed to look at it and say, this is a power, so I multiply. That's the rule today. Power to power, you multiply. When you multiply, what do? Add. That sounds weird. All right, when you multiply variables, you add the exponents. Power to a power, you multiply. All right, so Miss Cussel, you're up, please. Come on now. I need you to do this first. What is that going to be?
X to the 15, y to the 9.
You are amazing, girl. And next.
X and y.
Wait a minute. X to the what power?
Oh, X to the 15.
No, look right here, kiddo. There's a 1 there.
Oh, there's X to the
1 times what? No, 1 times 2. That would be x squared.
Oh,
You hear that?
Yeah.
And then y to the what power?
10.
There you have it. All right, before she gives me the final answer, double check that, please. Anybody have any issues with that? All right, now Miss Cussel, final answer.
X to the 17 and y to the 19.
I'm proud of you, girl. That's good. 1 little minor mistake, right? You have to remember there's a 1 there. All right, here we go. Everybody messes this up. Number 9. Who's in the back? Is that Ava?
Yeah.
Ava, tell me what 9 is.
Okay. 5 to the 4th.
You are awesome. 5 to the 4th. All right, I'm happy with that. Miss Jacobson, go.
A to the negative 20 times a to the 15.
Beautiful.
And that's a to the negative 7.
Wow. Final answer.
So 1 over 8 to the 7.
Wow. Beautiful. Thank you. That's exactly correct. That another one was pretty hard. All right, come on now. Don't write down the answer. Work the problem first. See your mistake. Correct it. Writing down the answers is not helpful. All right, that was excellent. Hunter. All right, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to shrink this down for me. And you've got the one that I was saying is hard. All right, so you got to take your time here.
Okay, so for the first,
Now, wait a minute. On this one, guys, I'm going to grab it. I'm going to grab it. I think you guys should get in this habit. 11, I'm going to come down here. If you run out of room, grab it and move it somewhere. That's smart. All right, go ahead. Tell me.
so for the first one, you have 9 times.
Why 9?
Because you do 3 times 3. Oh, wait, no, it's 3 to the 3rd to be 27.
Thank you. And then what?
Times f to the 12th
Good.
and g to the negative 9.
Beautiful. And then
And
what's the next
For
one?
the next one, it's f to negative 2 and g to 2.
That's good, man. You're almost perfect. Go.
Okay, so then you'd have 27 times f to the 10th times g to the negative 7.
And final answer. That's really good.
So it would be 9 or 27 over f to the, or 27 times f to the 10th over g to the 7th.
Yeah, see, calm down. You got it. See, slow down, man.
Okay.
Beautiful, easy, simple, following the rules. Simple as that, following the rules. If you know the rules, you can play the game. It really is simple. Really, really simple. That's hard, actually. What?
Where did the 27?
What is 3 cubed? What is it? Right, because
3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 3.
there you have it. Beautiful. You with me on this, right? Connor?
Yes.
All right, I'm happy. All right, all the way over. Now, we're back to William. All right, you're on 12. I don't need extra room on this, so tell me.
It would be x to the 3rd times x to the 15th,
Which is?
x to the 18th.
You are awesome. Thank you very much. Austin, come on, man.
E to the negative 8.
Good, which is the same as?
1 over e8.
You're amazing. Good job. 14. Okay, I'm going to grab this one. Who's up? Oh, great, Lily. This is going to be. All right, let's see if she can get one right this year. Go.
Okay, so you have a to the negative 6, and then b to the negative 8, and then a to the 12th, and b to the 20th, and then a to the 6th, and b to the 12th.
Amazing. Thank you so much. Max, you still with me? I need somebody to ask a question now if you're not sure. Sienna, how are you doing? Good? All right, come on. I don't like this. I don't know what this means. All right? I don't want that. I want you to be able to confidently tell me. That's why I'm saying you do the problems yourself. What's happening as we go down the page generally?
It gets harder.
It's getting harder. So if you can't do the easy ones, you might as well forget about the ones down the end of the page. All right, there's nothing else to do. You might as well learn something. All right, I can imagine how boring it is sitting here, just sitting. Participate. All right, here we go. I'm on which one? 15. 15. I want a Trimble.
Alright, so x8 and then y.
You're awesome. Thank you, Trimble. All right. Jensen, are you up? 16. What? B to the what? What? B to the what?
Oh, -4.
Good. And so that's what I heard. Final answer.
And then I'm pretty sure it's 144 over b to the
Right, because the only one with the negative exponent is B. That moves. The 144 stays the same. All right, I'm happy. Sienna. Wow. Simple. 18. Go ahead, steps. I'm on 18.
Yeah. All right. So first we go x to the -20th.
Good.
Then we go x to the 15th.
Thank you.
Y to the 10th.
Amazing. Final answer.
X -5.
Good.
Y 10. And then we go y 10 over x -5.
X.
Or x5.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Not difficult. Not difficult. Nice work. Nice work today, guys. All right, 19. Here we go. All right, Max. Come on now.
it's y to the -18,
Good job, man.
and then y to the 23rd.
Beautiful.
So you just y to the 3rd.
Trimble, did you help him?
What?
Did you help him with that?
Actually,
No,
I actually have 10 minutes.
He did.
You, Max, you helped him?
No, I'm kidding.
All right. Max, I'm telling you, man, just keep up with me. It's not difficult. All of math is simple, following rules. As soon as you get behind, and that's what I'm saying to all of you, right? If you don't do the work every day, there's going to come a time next week, you're just going to be lost. It builds every single day. Practice the rules. It's simple. Simple. All right, Max, congratulations, man. Hopefully it feels good. All right, Gray, tell me.
So it's n to the 6 times n to the -10.
Good,
Which is the n to the -4.
which is?
1 over n to the 4.
Wow, we sound like we're mathematicians in here. All right, Miss Goss. All right, come on now, kiddo.
M to the -15,
Beautiful.
and then M to the 64.
Wait a minute. Now, what you made a mistake on, it's not 4 times 4. You're just multiplying, right?
Oh, I thought it was, okay. So then M to the 16,
That's correct.
and then M to the 20,
You're awesome. Now, what do I do with these two?
combine them,
Yep.
so M to the 1st.
Right. Very good. Very good. See what I'm saying? Not difficult. Not hard. All right, just got to be careful. Miss Bailey, you got a problem?
Okay, wait, so with the M to the 4th in the brackets with the 4, you multiply them?
Couldn't have said it better myself. All right. Now, what I'm hoping, Miss Bailey, you can learn is to trust yourself. The only way I see 16 with 4 and 4 is to do what?
Right.
You see what I'm trying to tell you, right? Trust yourself. If you see 16 and you see a 4 and a 4, the only possible way is to do what? Multiply. That's what I mean by trust yourself. All right, here we go. 22. Sean.
Isn't that just 8 to the 18th?
Yes, thank you. You got an easy one. 8 to the 18th. All right, here we go. Emiliana.
You do, so you do 2 times, well,
That-
okay, so B -9,
Good job, kiddo.
and then B, well, 2 times 4, so it's B, to the 8,
Yes,
which is B -1,
which is very good.
and then
Yay, easy, good job, very good, very good. All right, Connor, here we go, buddy.
So it's 4 to the second,
Good job.
s to the negative 6.
Wow, I'm proud of myself. Now what?
Now it's 4 squared over s to the 6th.
Yes, 4 squared over s to the 6th. Now, is it obvious what 4 squared is? Yeah, so sometimes if something's obvious, you can just say 16. You with me? But if you left it as 4 squared, I wouldn't care. I would just want you to know 4 squared is just 16. That's excellent. Excellent. All right, here we go. 25. Tucker.
All right, so you have 5, and then you have a to the 12th. So 5a to the 12th, and then b to the 20th.
Now you're almost right. Listen to me. Common mistake. The 5 is being raised to the 4th power also.
Oh,
So-
okay,
so-
so it's 28.
5 to the 4th, right?
Yeah.
I need everybody to write 5 to the 4th. Now, of course, we all know 5 to the 4th is 625. So if you wrote that, that would be better.
Yeah.
All right. But 5 to the 4th is okay to leave it like that. One minor mistake. All right, Ms. Cussel, you're up,
B to the negative 18,
which is the same as.
1 over B to the 18.
Very nice, man. I'm happy today. All right, Ava.
Y to the 18.
Easy, easy. Good job, girl. All right, 28. Here we go.
Okay, so it's a to the negative 4th times a to the 8th times b to the 6th
Which is,
times 8 to the 4th times b to the 6th.
we are great. Go.
X to the 12th and y to the 3rd.
Very impressed. And 30. Go ahead, William.
30 is d cubed times d to the 10th,
Which is,
d to the 3rd, wait, yeah, d to the 13th.
I'm happy with you, buddy. Very, very good. All right, do I care about scientific notation? No, I don't care about that right now. All right, okay. Now let's jump to the next page. All right, here we go, guys. Come on. Excellent work. Excellent. So when you multiply, what did we do to exponents?
Oh, divide. Like
What are you talking about? When you multiply, what do you do to exponents?
Add them.
Add them. So probably when you divide, you what? Subtract them. That's how simple. All right. When you divide, you subtract.
So it's
All right. So here we go. I want everybody to look right here.
C to the 6th.
C to the 6th. Brilliant. C to the 6th. Anybody have any issues with that? All right. Now, not a big deal. Number 2. Everybody should know how to do number 2. So we're going to let Austin go. Tell me what you think first.
X to the negative 12, and then y to the 8, and then z to the 5th.
Z to the what?
Negative 5th.
Z to the what?
Oh, regular 20.
Yes. Beautiful. Now fix that.
And then minus it.
No, no, no. The X, no negative exponents.
Oh, okay. Yeah, y to the 8 on top, and then below it, negative x to the 12, and then z to the 20.
That is exactly correct.
Wouldn't z to the 20 be on top? It doesn't-
No, because z to the 20th has a positive exponent. You don't move it unless it has a negative exponent. All right, Lily, go. Divide, what do we do?
X to the 3rd, y to the 2nd, and z to the negative 5th.
Or we can just say z to the 5th on the bottom. Right now, look, please listen to me because I don't know why this is a problem for kids. Does everybody agree there's more z's on the bottom?
Yeah.
So there's 5 on the bottom. Would that make logical sense, right? She said z to the -5. That's okay also, but we then would have to do what? Move it down to the bottom because you're not allowed to have negative exponents. Now, please, everybody look at number 3 and say you're okay. Everybody's good?
Yeah.
All right, very good. All right, Trimble, let's hear you, buddy. Hold on, let me move it over. All right, number 4, what do you got, buddy?
So A10 over B.
You're awesome. Thank you so much. And 5. Who's up? Max. No, is Max? No.
I think Jim's.
Yeah, Jensen, you're up.
3 to the 3rd.
You're perfect. 3 to the 3rd. All right, now, of course, we know that as 27, so it wouldn't be a bad thing. Very, very good.
Don't you divide the 3s?
No, that would make me wrong. And you know I'm not wrong. Because they have exponents like multiplication. Do you hear me? If the bases are the same, you simply add the exponents when you multiply. All right, these aren't just the numbers 3, right? They have an exponent. So you have to divide or subtract the exponents. Leave the base alone. All right, now I have Sienna. B to the what? Yes, common mistake. All right, I'm pretty happy. All right, here we go.
It would be -4.
What? There's a negative exponent. So listen to me. This one's a little trickier, but not really. I want you to think, look up. I want everybody to rewrite that as 3 over 2 squared. Right? Because listen to me. Each one of those, you could rewrite this as 2 to the -2, 3 to the -2. Do you agree with that?
Yeah.
And then that would be 3 squared over 2 squared, which is 9 over 4. You hear me?
Yeah.
Everything in parentheses has a negative exponent. That's what that means. All right, so Rivers, do number 8. Go.
Okay, so P -12,
Good.
Q -8 over Q -12, and then R20.
Okay, so now you have to move everything, right?
Yeah, so we go Q12.
Good.
Wait,
That's right.
do you have to minus those first?
No, just do that.
Q12 over R20, P12, and Q8.
Now we're going to look at, that's good. Now you look at this and this. And so what's our final answer?
Is it Q4?
Yes, sir. Good job.
R20, P12.
You're awesome. That was good. What?
Do you have to have the bottom ones like the right order? Like,
Yeah, you should put them in alphabetical order. Right. So P,
yeah.
Q, R. So if you wanted to, I would do this. Right. But it's not counted incorrect, though. All right. But that's a good question. All right. Number 9, Max, go.
88.
Wow, Max, I'm proud of you on that, buddy.
And B to the -4.
So where would I put that?
On top.
So if I put B to the -12,
And then over to AB with it.
so how do I fix this now?
You would just put B to on top and then A to J at the bottom.
No, come on now. If it has a negative exponent, move it.
Yeah.
So this is my negative exponent. So I move that down, not the A. Right, so that's A to the 8th over B to the 12th.
Yeah.
Now look, everybody, I want everybody to look at number 9 for me, please. Here's my recommendation. Max, you did something a little bit more advanced. All right, because of the subtraction, you did the subtraction correctly in your head, but I don't like to tell kids that because there's a bunch of negatives involved. So what I would like everybody to do is think of it this way. A to the 6th, A squared, B to the 5th, B to the 7th. Does everybody see what I did? Please look at that. If something, hold on, if something has a negative exponent, I just go ahead and move it. Everybody hearing me? Hold on, pay attention. So see how this was -5, I just moved that down, I moved that up to the top, and then it's easier for me to simplify. I don't like teaching kids 6 minus -2 and -5 minus, I don't like that, okay? So I always tell kids, make them positive exponents first. Make them positive exponents first. Now listen, I'm not gonna give you much homework, but I do think it's kind of important to do a couple practice problems. So here's what I want you guys to try for me. All right. And then tomorrow we have an easy day because we're going to be doing some IXL, I believe. So it'll be a nice, easy day. So do me a favor, in class tomorrow, I want everybody to do 12 through 32. Do just the fourth column, right? Do you see what I have highlighted there, right? I just want you to try 12 through 32. Just that's it for homework. That's it. Should take 5 minutes, maybe 7 minutes if you're slow. Is everybody hearing me? Practice, Max, that was amazing. Some of you guys starting out good. All right, I mean it. It's just rules, practicing rules. All right, good job today, guys. I'm really happy with today. Good job. If I'd had candy, I'd give everybody some.